How to send a message and chat with anyone on Twitch. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to send a direct message to anyone on Twitch. First thing, go to Twitch, and this is the home page, as you can see. Now let's just choose any user here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Now if you want to send a message, just go to the top corner right here and click on those three dots and click whisper and his name. Now as you can see, you can send him a message from here if he is not turned off the block whispers from strangers. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.